Guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, today we picked up a Syma S031, and a lot of reasons why, but one of the key factors was to find out if the remote control from the Syma is going to be compatible with this Estes WE2012 that I've severely modified. Now, the frequencies are the same. They're 27 megahertz, so it should be correct. Now, I tried to use a Cobra remote, and the Cobra remote is not compatible. And there's been a bit of stuff going on that, you know, and that I called Estes not that long ago. It's about a month, I guess, and asked them for parts for a mini helicopter, and they said, no parts. I said, okay, fine. I says, well, what about your WE2012? Oh yeah, for that we got parts. Well, now I just found out, apparently, that another gentleman had gotten a hold of Estes, and Estes is now saying, nope, no parts for even the WE2012. So I'm thinking, okay. Well, we already know that the WE2012, not including the remote and the PCB or ECS board, all those parts are exactly and precisely the same. I mean, we're looking at an S031 here, and we're looking at my Estes WE2012 that I've painted up, and they are exactly the same helicopter, you know, part for part. So we know these are clones, and of course Estes has already told us, yes, it's a clone, you know. So they're saying to us, well, you got to go to Syma or whoever else carries the S031, and you can get your parts there. So it's like, that kind of sucks. But anyway. So, part of this reason for getting this S031, and one of the biggest key reasons, is to see if just the controller is going to be compatible with the Estes WE2012. Now, you will have an issue between the S031G and the S031, I'm sure. That's a good possibility, because it is a 9.6 volt system versus this 7.4. And I did some online looking and found that there's a parts place where I can get parts for the Symas, which is fine, and they sell a transmitter and the PCB board together as a kit for about 37 bucks. And I thought, oh, that's half the price what I just paid for the heli. You know, so I like to be able to just get a remote only, and so I've also been looking, and yes, there are places I can get just a remote. So the idea here is to test and see and make sure that the Syma S031 remote will work without a flaw with the Estes WE2012. So let's turn the remote on. And I've already got my battery plugged in. And we got power. And it looks like we got a winner, guys. So we've got compatibility. So for anybody wondering that question now, we have your answer. Syma S031 will be compatible for just the remote or the PCB. Either way you want to do it. 7.4 volt version, of course. Hassle-free. It will run with the Estes WE2012. So if you need parts for the Estes WE2012, now I myself am going to be carrying a lot of helicopter parts and helicopters because I have an RC hobby shop, and I'm bringing stuff in, so it's a new business. But I am going to be stocking Syma parts as much as I can, both new and used. And so that's the big question answered fully. Yes, we got compatibility. That's great. It's awesome. So there you go, and hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. We'll definitely see you on the next one, guys.